Baby shark do 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 do. Apologies. That song will probably be in your head all day today like it was mine. So I've just finished this Baby Shark theme. It's a 6-inch vanilla with buttercream and jam in. I've hand modelled the little sharkies on top. They're secured with some wooden skewers, and then I've done a selection of corals and seaweeds, all handmade, all made out of fondant. I've used a mould for these little starfish and the tiny little shells, but apart from that, like these corals and everything are all made by hand. Quite easy to do. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube on how to do them. But I just love the colours of this one. It just pops. Brilliant for your little ones. So there we are. Baby shark do 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 do. Sorry.